I am making a compound butter today because we're gonna have ribeyes in a week or so, and we love doing them on the barbecue, and we use compound butter on them. So what we have here in this bowl, half a teaspoon of ground rosemary, half a teaspoon powdered savory, full teaspoon of medium thyme. Here's 2 jars of ghee, butter. Here's a half a cup of Dagny's world famous dehydrated garlic. Now I'm going to put all the dry ingredients in the Vitamix, really powder it up. And I'll see you when I get back. I am going to open the ghee. Homemade ghee. Made it months ago, actually in October. That's months. We're going to put them in this bowl, melt them down a bit, get them soft, and then we're going to start adding some of my homemade powder to it, which we also added Himalaya, fine ground Himalaya salt. So, first thing is to open the ghee. Oh, hot!
Here, because you're gonna zap it to melt it.
Yeah. Pop! Pretty cool, huh? If you've never made ghee, you have to do it.
That's got a handle.
Okay, we're not putting them in a bowl, we're putting them in a big measuring cup. So I'm going to get this done, and I'll be back. Here is our ghee compound butter. We're just going to let it cool. It's not very hot. We didn't overheat it. Just enough to get it liquidy. I threw in all the seasoning, and I'll tell you, it is delicious. So there.
So good morning. We're going to do a taste test today on some of the past foods we've pickled and made to see how they've been holding up and if they're good, if we want to make them again. So I'm going to start with some homemade ghee.
Especially since we never tasted them in the first place. Dagny's the butter eater, so she gets to taste ghee.
It's not as smooth and creamy, but it's got a wonderful, rich, buttery flavor.
Because I cooked that just a couple minutes longer than normal. That's why it's not bright yellow. It's a little bit different because of the nutty.
But after a bit in your mouth, it just smooths out, creamy.
And you said it's not like something?
It's not, when you first taste it, it's not real creamy. It's kind of got a little bit of a grittiness, but that goes away.
Oh, okay.
So my last comment on the ghee is it's got the flavor. It has what store-bought butter has lost. That wonderful buttery flavor.
And the ghee's got it.
Ghee's got it.
Wow. Okay.